Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky, and I've got something a little bit different for you today. I've got two 2018 JL Unlimited Jeeps. I've got me a really nice Hellayella Rubicon, and I've also got me a really nice white Sahara. Jeep has upgraded their body style as of this year. They've gone from the JK body to the JL body. They've revamped them from the very front to the very rear. One big thing mechanically, you notice these actually have got an 8-speed transmission in them as opposed to prior years. They've actually also got a new motor option. Well, they've got a turbocharged motor. Both of these are the naturally aspirated 3.6 liter V6s, and they're really nice. Like I said, this one's Hellayella. It's got the factory hardtop. It's not color matched. You can actually get them color matched. This one's got the Rubicon cloth interior. Got a nice all-terrain tire. The Rubicons come with the front and the rear lockers. You can see the special Rubicon hood there too. Over on my left, I've got a new Sahara. Cool thing about this Sahara, they've got something new as well. It's got the panoramic roof on it. So this whole roof actually slides all the way back. And I'll show you how that works here in a minute. I also wanted to show you something cool too. With these power fold tops, they actually have these pieces on the back here that are very easily removed. Ethan here is helping me. There's 2 clips that all you do is pop them off, and these back pieces are easily removed. How about that? Pretty cool. So now you can also see they have actually changed how the cage looks in these JLs. It's got more of a slanted, sleek look to it. So now when Ethan goes to put this back in, there's just 2 posts that he clips in there. Push that panel against it. And with those 2 locking mechanisms, just like that, your back sealed up tight. Pretty cool. I'm going to let Ethan jump in the Jeep real quick, and I'm going to show you how this power fold top works. See if I can give you kind of a bird's eye view here. So it's a one-touch top. All you have to do is start the vehicle, and this whole top is going to slide. And actually you don't even have to start it. You can do it while you're in accessory mode there. How about that? Now this is a $3,995 option. But you can see our man Ethan here has a clear view of the sky. Very cool. So when you have that coupled with those back panels that are easily removed, it gives a really new and improved look to the Jeep. So I'm going to hand my friend Ethan here the camera, and I'm going to show you guys some of the interior features. All right guys, so now here we are on the interior of the new 2018 JL Unlimited Sahara, and I just kind of want to show you some options and show you some things that have changed about the new JL. First and foremost, you notice the big infotainment system here. This option is what they call the electronics package. So the electronic infotainment system group. So this is going to come with an 8.4 inch screen. This screen is updated. They have started using this higher resolution screen in some Chrysler and Jeep products, specifically the Pacifica, the Chrysler 300. It's just a higher resolution screen. It looks better. It's crisp. This is the first time that they've offered this in a Jeep Wrangler. So you've got full connectivity here. You've got AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, You've even got your controls for your heated seats. This Jeep in particular, actually both of the Jeeps that I've shown you today have the cold weather group. So that's going to have heated seats on both sides, and it's also going to have a heated wheel and remote start as well. Down here you've got your AC controls, and you've also got your radio controls. So you've got your volume, your blower speed, all that good stuff. Down here you've got one touch windows in the front, and you've got your windows in the back as well. These aren't one touch, just the ones up front. Under this little media panel here, you've got your auxiliary port, you've got your USB port, you've also got a USB Type-C port. A lot of cell phones are going to the USB Type-C charger now, so that's just another way to keep your devices powered up so you can stay connected. Now if you look up here, I showed you the one-touch roof from the outside. Now I'm going to show you from the inside. There's a rocker switch right here where all you have to do is just press this button one time, and the whole roof is going to fall back away. Pretty cool stuff. This is brand new for the Wrangler. Has never been offered before. So really neat. If you look down here, this Jeep is an automatic Jeep. The automatic, I believe, is a, let me see, how much is the option cost now for an automatic? Let's see. Well, it's not showing me on here. Anyway, so this is an automatic Jeep. You can see the new gear shifter, the new four-wheel drive selector. They've kind of got like a blow-through console now with cup holders down here. You've also got storage in here as well. Also a USB port down here on the bottom too. Over here on our steering wheel, they've updated the gauge cluster here. They've updated the steering wheel, and this thing's warm. It's got that heated wheel. Here in the center, you can see everything from your stored messages to your miles per hour, a digital speedometer. You can see your PSI for your tires. Here you've got your drivetrain screen as well, so it's going to show you whether you've got your four-wheel drive engaged or not. You can actually turn the wheel. It'll even show you how many degrees your wheel is cocked to the left or to the right. You've also got other functionality that shows pitch and roll for when you're off-roading. You can check your departure angles. You can see miles per gallon. You can see all kinds of stuff. Here you've got your controls for your cruise control. You've got your Bluetooth connectivity here, and then this arrow cluster right here is going to control what you see right here in the screen. These do have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights. They also have blind spot monitors too. So if you look over here to the left or to the right, you can see a triangle in that mirror there, and that's actually going to show if anybody is in your blind spot. You've been seeing a lot of these blind spot indicators on the newer vehicles, and it's just another safety feature to help you and your passengers stay safe. So I'm going to close this sunroof and show you how easy it is. I just hit that button one time. And it clamps down on there snug, and you're good to go. So I'm going to let you guys take a look at the outside of the Jeep one more time, and we'll get you our contact info. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're the home of no dealer fees and dock fees. We've got 2 locations. Our Chrysler store is at 1000 South Main in Franklin, Kentucky. Our Ford store is at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. Like I said, my name's Austin. I'll put my 1-800 number up here. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. If we don't have exactly what you're looking for, we can always get exactly what you're looking for. There's no more associated costs with ordering a Jeep, so if you just got to have that certain special color, we'll get it for you. We sure do appreciate your all's time, and we hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.